Hey everyone! In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix Steam games taking too long to patch. Let's get started. First, open Task Manager on your PC. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and choose Task Manager from the menu. Once it opens, you'll see a list of running programs. Find Steam, click on it, and then select End Task to fully close it. This stops any background processes that might be slowing things down. After that, reopen Steam and log back into your account. Once you're in, click on the Steam menu in the top left corner and go to Settings. Then head over to the Download section and click on Clear Download Cache. This helps remove any broken or incomplete files that could be causing the issue. Next, go to your library and find the game that's having patching problems. Right-click on it and select Properties. Then go to the Installed Files tab and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan and fix any missing or corrupted files, which is one of the most effective solutions. Once that's done, restart Steam one more time to make sure everything refreshes properly, and that's it. That's how you fix Steam games taking too long to patch. Thanks for watching.